Let's create a agriculture digging tool. See, at what end there is a sharp and other end also a sharp like a knife. This is mainly used to dig the earth, and we will create with the help of surface feature. I hope you like it. So let's start to create this model. First, I am going to create the outer body of agriculture tool. So activate front plane, sketch, and let me activate circle. Draw a 20 diameter circle, right click, select and exit. Activate smart dimension 20 millimeter. Okay, now go to surfaces and activate extruded surface. Now here keep end condition blind, start condition keep same, the plane going to start from here, length of tool 250 millimeter. But there is a catch, here we have angle 3 degree outward side. See, okay. Now let me do one thing. Let's apply some color to this body so it looks okay, more practical or more visible. Now I want to trim this body in different way. Top plane, sketch, activate line tool, draw a line from midpoint up to keep outside, and keep the distance from outer surface to this line 80 millimeter. Now go to surface and I want to remove this one. So here one option called trim surface. Now standard, now sketch is the reference, remove selection. If I keep my cursor, see it is body become orange, it means this is going to trim. Let's say select this one. Once you select this turn pink, it means this is going to trim. Isometric view, see we trim this side of sketch, say okay, look. Okay, let's see some more. We have to trim upper side also. So right plane is suitable, this is passing through mid. Okay, let me one thing, uncheck real view, this looks more practical. Right plane sketch, activate spline, connect this point to this point. I want to remove this uppers. Now let's select this spline and this line tangent. Similarly, drag this handle downward side, select the spline and this bottom line tangent relation. Smart dimension, drag handle length 100 millimeter upper side, bottom 300 millimeter. Okay, now these portion we need to remove. So again go to surface and activate trim surface. By default the reference line, this axis selected, keep selection, remove selection. So I am going to select remove selection, activate this one, see this portion or this. So select this portion and it turns yellow. Split and keep natural. Say okay. See, this is trimmed. Now in center also we need to trim. Okay, let's create one plane here at bottom. So how you can create, activate plane. First reference, select this bottom edge. See, now second reference, select inside. See, this is tangent. Look, the plane going to create at bottom line. Say okay. Now here we need to create some structure on this plane. So select the plane, sketch. Okay, again apply normal to, okay, apply line, connect from this end point to something here, exit, spline and connect one end to other end. Now select this one, drag handle vertical. Okay, let's define distance 130 millimeter. 45 and drag handle length 150. Okay, now see, drawing seems fully defined. Now go to surface and here apply planar surface. I just simply see selected here planar surface boundary entities. Now let me hide this. Click and hide. Now here we need to make one cutout. So top plane, sketch. Activate here again spline. Don't choose line. From this origin midpoint to this connection point. Okay. Again start from somewhere here and end somewhere here. Okay, define some dimensions. One millimeter, 1.5. Okay, exit. Now select this spline. Drag handle, just turn, smart dimension, select this one and see the outer edge. Keep angle 10 degree. And length of drag handle 100 millimeter. Similarly, select this spline and select this curve, tangent relation. Drag angle 65. Now see, these spline going to tangent with this surface. Again I want to remove this mid structure, surface, trim surface. See, sketch selected, remove selection and keep cursor and see this is become orange. Click and it is going to be pink. It means this is going to trim. Say okay. Look. Okay, still we need to remove some trim option. Front plane, sketch. Now activate spline. Connect from this point to this point. Right click, select and exit. Now select the spline and this line tangent. Smart dimension, this drag handle length 35. Distance from here to this 30. See, this is fully defined. Now go to surfaces and I want to remove this upper face, trim surface. Plane selected, remove selection, keep cursor to this and see this is going to remove because once it turns pink, it is going to remove. Say okay, look. Now it's time to connect this face. So how you can connect? Let me activate 3D sketch. Activate here, let's say center line. Connect this point to this edge. And activate spline. Connect this end point to this end point. Because we need to create connect this one. Now this is for a reference 15 degree. Okay, select this one, drag handle. Now select this edge, select spline tangent relation. Now similarly again select this spline and this construction line tangent relation. Now let's apply the drag handle length 70 and the upper one 50. Okay, it seems fully defined sketch, but I want to connect and it is difficult to select this one. So I'm going to select this space sketch, line bigger than this body, split line. Now here select this face surface. See projection, this is the current sketch. Okay. Now see these face divided into two part. Now let's apply filled surface. Select this one first, second edge, third edge, and this is fourth edge. See. Now here keep contact between all surface tangent. Okay. Apply to all, fix up boundary, and here apply merge result. See, before going to merge, we have here how many bodies? Two bodies. Okay. But you will see after a merge it's become one body. Say okay. And see here it's become one body. See the structure is created. Our digging tool, agriculture tool. Apply thickness, thicken. Select the body 1 millimeter and make sure inside. So select this side, side 2. See the thickness. Now let's make sharpness. Sharpness you can create with the help of chamfer. Angle distance, how much? 1.5 and angle 80 degree. Select this edge, upper edge. Now this is not perfectly aligned, so here flip direction. Say okay. And here we go. See, this is sharp. Fillet. Now select here 1.5 symmetric constant and let me select these two edges. Okay. Now here we need to make a circular edge, so we will apply full round fillet. See the last one, full round fillets. First face, activate second, third, internal, and you will see the fillet going to apply all body. And here we go. See, and I think we're done. Let me select here iron, cast iron, select this sharpness and make it polished so it looks more practical, or even you can apply, let's say, chrome finish, and here we go. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.